I'm an Upwork top-rated plus AI developer with over 45 successfully delivered projects under my belt. Pleasure to see you here. My name is Max, and have fun watching this video. Now you know how you can be just absolutely vicious when you are creating the workflows on one n8n account of yours, because you will be able to juggle those workflows like a maestro, like a clown in the circus between different n8n accounts, regardless of whether it is the fully paid account on n8n, if it is a free trial account on n8n, or it is the custom deployment of n8n on your VPS or some application hosting service provider, blah 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 blah, like Heroku or Render. Okay, my lovely Gaylord, I am glad that you have taken out that dig out of your hand. I hope so. I mean, my hair gel is really making my hairstyle that good, but not to that degree. Also, I assume that you have no social life, no friends, and no girlfriend. Because of that, you are spending all day long just raping the left button of your mouse, as well as completely annihilating the buttons of your keyboard. In case it sounds anything like you, then welcome to the show. Today I will show you how you can rape the left button of your mouse even more productive and even stronger, and as they would say, with higher leverage. Because in case you are juggling multiple AI clients, what you may notice is that quite often you have a lot of workflows which should be transferred from one n8n account to the other one. And again, if you anything like me, the person who is really fascinated and eager on clicking the left button of the mouse, then you might have a full plethora of automations created on the particular account of yours on n8n. And it will be such a pain in the ass to transfer all of those to the other n8n account, like this one by one. And I don't know, I'm pretty sure that some part of my audience is not that against of pain in the ass, but that's the topic for the whole other intimate video. What I would rather tell you right now is that we wanna avoid these kind of rectal issues. In that case, for this reason, we will go with much more smoother solution. So basically, I'm handing out a bottle of Vaseline to you. So please, even though you have taken out the dick out of your hand, hopefully just take this bottle of Vaseline, so the next time your transfer of workflows from one n8n account to the other one goes incredibly smooth, like the butter has been spread all over the bunch of places. Let's go with this. And I will show you two main scenarios. And let's start with the first one, which is the most straightforward. And that's when you have two n8n accounts which have the access to API. And in fact, that's just bread and butter, not that kind of butter which I referred to a minute ago. That's extremely simple. You just need this exact automation to transfer all workflows from one account to the other one. So you need to access the API of your source account. You just create a new API key here, and you need the API key of your target n8n account. The same spiel, you just pick it here. But what you do now, you go to your source n8n account and you create 2 credentials for n8n. The first one is for the source account, and the second one is for the target account. All you need to do is specify API key. Well, you will insert the actual API key here, and also the base URL, which is the URL of well, you essentially just change this domain part, which is specific for the target account and specific for the source account. HTTPS thingy and API v1 parts are unchangeable, or changeable, but they should not be changed. Just let the things follow the way they should. And you create this get many workflows node. You just add it from the node selection. Just go to n8n and pick get many workflows. And you here specify the credential of your source account. And as a result, you will get all of your workflows returned. And here you specify the credential to your target n8n account. So this way, what we do is that we extract all of the workflows from the source account, and one by one, eins by eins, один за другим, один за одним, we simply add the workflows to the target n8n account. I will not be doing this now because I have already done this previously, but and yeah, I guess no, I don't have a proof, but maybe I don't like a stormtrooper, but trust me by the word. And here the workflows will be created on your target n8n account. I know you really want me to try to sell you something, but in this video, nothing. You can just go to the first link in the description below, access our community of ambitious, successful AI freelancers, and access this template completely free of charge. But let's be honest, in case you cannot replicate this workflow yourself, then just click off this channel. We do not want dummies here, so just walk away. But in case you are smart and lazy, which is actually quite correlated pair of traits, you can still just steal this automation template by going to the first link in the description below, to the resource section of our school community, and just have this automation. You remember, butter up your n8n games. So it's more fun to just annihilate your left button of the mouse. Now let's proceed to the second case, which is a bit more peculiar, and it happens if you have your n8n Cloud free trial account and you would like to transfer the workflows you have on the n8n Cloud trial account to your basically any other n8n account. I wouldn't recommend to transfer it to the new n8n Cloud free trial account because you will just face the same issue of needing to transfer all of the workflows 2 weeks later when the free trial will end for the other n8n account. So you better just watch the way you can deploy n8n yourself on Heroku. The video will pop up in the right upper corner right now. I don't even try to figure out where it is. No, I actually know where it is. It is right there. Right there. You have seen or see the link now. After, but dickhead, stop. I know you have TikTok brain, and it's already the huge feat for you to concentrate on this video without the penis of yours in your hand. So stay for the other 2 minutes here. So I show you this second use case, and only then you watch the video, which you have seen in the right upper corner. Just zip it up, and the way you are able to transfer the workflows from your n8n Cloud free trial account to the other n8n is the following. First of all, the very thing why we need to handle this case separately is because the free trial n8n Cloud accounts do not give us access to the API, which sucks. And because of that, we can't use that workflow. But what we can do is we can go to the admin panel. We can go to manage section. We can go to export, and we can download the workflows. As a result, we will get back the zip file of all workflows, and just unlike your pants, which you had to zip a minute ago, now you will have to unzip this archive and duplicate it into your Google Drive. And it will look something like this. And now what we have exported all of the workflows from n8n Cloud free trial account into the cloud storage, Google Drive. And what you do next is that you go to your target n8n account, and you must do the following. You create the workflow, which you can of course go and steal completely for free by following the very first link in the description below, the school community of ambitious successful AI freelancers. And the only thing which you need to do is actually 2 things. You create the connection with your Google Drive. By the way, I know it can sound tedious creating all these connections. The good thing is that you just need to do it once, and then you reuse these credentials in all other thousands of battles with your left button of the mouse when you are creating new scenarios on n8n. And on the n8n node itself, you create the connection to this specific target account by going to settings, going to n8n API, creating the API key, going back, going here, going to the credentials, going to the base URL, specifying the target n8n domain, and going to the API key section, adding the new API key here, saving, seeing the green thingy which releases a bit of dopamine in your brain, and then ever happily you can point the first Google Drive node in this workflow to the folder which contains all of the exported workflows JSON templates, and then you actually have nothing. You don't have to do anything else here apart from specifying the same Google Drive credential in the second Google Drive node, because it will just download all of the JSON files from that other from that Google Drive folder. And this node is just to read the JSON file. And here we just write the extracted JSON into the new n8n. And yes, you are the hero. You have been able to stay on this video for at least 10 minutes without having the dick in your hands. I know what this sound can you remind of, and now you know how you can be just absolutely vicious when you are creating the workflows on one n8n account of yours, because you will be able to juggle those workflows like a maestro, like a clown in the circus between different n8n accounts, regardless of whether it is the fully paid account on n8n, if it is a free trial account on n8n, or it is the custom deployment of n8n on your VPS or some application hosting service provider, blah 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 blah, like Heroku or Render. Now you are almost Jedi. You will be Jedi when you click the first link in the description below and completely for free join the school community of us, successful, ambitious, unbelievably handsome, using hair gel, humble freelancers who are complete geeks in AI. Thanks for your attention. Press the like button, subscribe, leave the comment, and if you're not dummy and you want to save hours of time and add thousands of dollars to your business's profit margins, then book a free AI audit call for your business in the first link in the description below. Stay awesome.